Yes.
My lord, kindly allow me to have one mention, please.
Uh,
My lord, I have come from Murshidabad. My lord, I'm petitioner in person and advocate in person. My lord, my matter is very urgent. That's why I have come from far, 5 hours far from Bahrampur, Murshidabad to Kolkata. My mother has also come with me. My lord, the matter is that myself is an advocate, practicing advocate, but now I'm a petitioner in person, my lord. My lord, I'm a victim of outrage of modesty, my lord. My lord, this incident happened with me in 2018, and the person who did this with me in his official chamber, he was an additional SP of that district in 2018. My lord, my lord. Then when I resisted this incident against him to his senior authorities, and when I approached this honorable High Court, then he took revenge with me, and he filed several false cases against me by his so-called agents and suo motu police personal cases against me, and he harassed me by giving false cases against me from 2017 to till onwards. My lord, myself is a victim at first of the outrage of modesty, and second, myself is a victim of again of the several false cases against me from 2017 onwards, my lord. My lord, also in 2024, suddenly I met with a severe road traffic accident in which he was the primary attacker, and he wanted to kill me in the Murshidabad. And I was in the ICU, and laparoscopy has done in my abdomen, in my upper abdomen, and 1 liter blood clot was taken out by the best surgeon of the Murshidabad, Mr. Gulgulia. My lord, I'm medically not so fine, and I'm in medical treatment. My lord, I'm praying that as I have approached to this honorable High Court, Honorable Justice Jason Gupta, he provided me a government bodyguard as he listened that I'm a victim of that incident, and also I'm an lady advocate, my lord. He provided me protection, government protection. But my lord, from 2017 onwards to till 2025, it's 8 years, a long gap. I'm a victim of several false cases. Being an advocate,
what are the matters which are pending in the High Court?
all are that I have filed criminal revision.
Revision.
Yes, my lord.
So you want the criminal revision to be listed?
To be, yes, my lord, to be assigned before Justice Jason Gupta, because he heard all my matter in limine and he understood my matter. My lord, it is not
No,
possible.
no. As per the present determination, which bench will hear the matter?
My lord, it is before Justice Ajay Mukherjee.
So if the matter is substantially heard by another bench, then if you mentioned before Honorable Justice Mukherjee, he may release the matter. Then the file will come to me.
My lord, then again I have.
Cannot on the administrative side pull out a file. If the honorable judge feels that the matter was heard on several dates by honorable so and so judge, and it is substantially heard by the other bench, he can release the matter, and then the file will come to me. Then I will consider for assignment. So you make a request before the concerned bench or before Justice Mukherjee, saying that this was substantially heard by another bench, subject to whatever orders his lordship pass.
My lord, I'm praying before my lord, as because my house is very far from Kolkata.
You
Five
can appear online
today.
today also.
My phone is always in track. He's always tracking my phone.
So that's
Always
all.
I'm location tracking.
If you want, you can mention today in the second half also.
Okay, my lord, I got the point, my lord. I have to pray for the release before the
No,
concerned judge.
you will have to convince the judge that the matter was heard
Part
by
third, part
another
third.
bench, substantially heard.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you can argue before Justice Mukherjee himself.
My lord, I don't want to argue. My lord, I feel myself very ashamed and feel very uncomfortable to urge and to tell everything in front of every judges. I feel very
All
uncomfortable.
right.
My lord, I have made the application to address you that I want assignment.
I can't assume jurisdiction now. Unless and until the matter is released, I will not be able to. On the administrative side, I cannot do. So you mentioned before Justice Mukherjee, and if he is convinced, he will release it. Okay.
Then the matter will be assigned, my lord.
If it is released, I will assign.
Okay, my lord, I will do that. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
লর্ডশিপ, আমার মেনশনিং অনারেবল জাস্টিস অনন্যা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কোর্টে আমার একটা ম্যাটার সিও পেন্ডিং অনেক দিন ধরে। আপনার রিঅ্যাসাইন করার পরও সেটা পেন্ডিং রয়েছে, কিছুতেই এটার হিয়ারিং মানে এটার এন্ড হচ্ছে না। কারণ সেটা আপনার নোটিশে আনতে আমি ক্যান ফাইল করে ক্যান ফাইল করে আমি ওনার কাছে করেছি, উনি ক্যানটাও শুনতে চাইছেন না।
হুম।
পেজ 6 প্যারাগ্রাফ 8, পেজ 6 প্যারাগ্রাফ 8।
All right, receive it. Next, please call.
লর্ডশিপ,
Appellate
Let me
side,
see
Delhi
the
list,
paper.
serial number 1.
Job.
One minute.